unknown argument agent create. Okay, so you try to create an agent using Gemini and this happened. When you go to command prompt by typing CMD and you select command prompt, then over here you come and then type in Gemini agent create and then you hit enter. Okay, you see that this error will pop up. It says that unknown argument agent create. Okay, so why is this happening? I'm going to show you exactly what you have to know. First, what you have to do is simply run where Gemini, okay, just like this one, and then hit enter so that you know the type of installation that you are having. Okay, so as you can see from here, I'm having the npm type of installation. Okay, and then this type of installation does not have the agent create option. Okay, so I cannot create an agent when I'm having this type of installation. So check yours, and if you're having the exact same thing, it simply means that you cannot create agents. So what you have to do is simply come to the search and search for add or remove program and select it. Okay, and then from here you see that you have over 62 apps found. Okay, so come and then search for Python. You first have to make sure that Python is installed on your PC. So the Python, it has to be 3.10 or above, just like this one. Okay, so if you have the Python installed, then you are good to go. If you don't have it, just install it, and after that come and then install the Gemini CLI that comes with the agent option, and that is the pipe install space dash u dash Gemini dash CLI. Okay, so just type in this or run this from your command or terminal, and then you'll be able to install the Gemini that comes with the agent. That is it. Okay, like the video and see you in my next video.